So our question for today is find the inverse of the following function below algebraically. For the function h of t is equal to negative 4.9 times x plus 3 squared plus 45.8. So what is the inverse function and how do we find it? So the inverse function will give every x value of the original function as its y value and every y value as its x value. So the coordinates that you get on the inverse function are the reverse. So for h of t, how do we find its inverse? First of all, we're going to set h of t to y, and then we're going to have x here. And then we're going to switch the position of these two variables. So we have x is equal to negative 4.9 times y plus 3 squared plus 45.8. And then we're going to solve y from here so that we get the opposite operations done on x to find our new coordinates. So first, to solve for y, we're going to subtract 45.8 and divide negative 4.9 from both sides. So we have this. We're going to take the root of both sides to get rid of the square. And then finally, we're going to subtract 3 from both sides. And this is our new function, inverse function. Y is equal to the root of x minus 45.8 divided by negative 4.9 minus 3. And then we write it like so. The inverse of h of t is equal to this. And then if we actually look at a graphing calculator, we can see that on our original function is here in red, and our inverse function is listed here in blue. And we can see that for the point negative 3, 45.8 on the original h of t, it is 45.8, negative 3 on the inverse function. So we can see that the coordinates are reversed and that this inverse function is true.